नमस्ते साथियों। आज हम कंटिन्यूटी के क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं जो पिछले सालों में आए हुए हैं। तो पहला क्वेश्चन आपकी स्क्रीन पे दिया गया हुआ है। वो कुछ ऐसा है कि एफ डैश एक्स इज ग्रेटर देन जीरो इज गिवन एंड एफ डबल डैश एक्स इज लेस देन जीरो। ओके, दिस फंक्शन इज कंटिन्यूस एंड डिफरेंशिएबल ऑन ए टू बी, सो वी कैन राइट अकॉर्डिंग बाय द थ्योरम कि एफ ऑफ सी माइनस एफ ऑफ ए डिवाइडेड बाय सी माइनस ए इज सम एफ डैश सी वन, where you can write C1 is between you can say A to C. Okay, C is a number between anywhere between C. It is given here also कि C is a number between A to B. So this you can mark as equation 1. Now if we apply again f of B minus f of C divided by B minus C, so that will be what? F dash, let's say C2, where C2 is what? C2 is again a number between C to B. Okay, so as you can see in the question is saying ki f dash x is greater than 0. It means if differentiation of any function is greater than 0, it means that function is what? Increasing function. So if this function is increasing function and here this thing is all relation, this is also given ki f double dash x is less than 0. If double differentiation is less than 0, it means f dash x is what? Decreasing function. So if the f dash x is decreasing function, so I can say f dash c1 is greater than f dash c2. Simple thing. Okay, so what is f dash c1? F of c minus f of a divided by c minus a is greater than f of b minus f of c divided by b minus c. And here c minus a and b minus c is positive number because all we know already c is more than a and b is more than c. So if we divide cross multiply, so we can actually multiply, inequality will not change. So f of c minus f of a divided by f of b minus f of c. F of b is also more than f of c because f function is what? Increasing function. So here c minus a divided by b minus c will come. Simple. So this is only the question asking ki f of c minus f of a by f of b minus f of c is greater than what? So it is greater than c minus a by b minus c. So from here I'll get the answer. Next question. Next question is given in the question on the screen. So f any continuous function on 0 to 2 and twice differentiable on 0 to 2. If f of 0 is 0, f of 1 is 1 and f of 2 is 2, then what? So we need to choose the option. So we can apply again f dash, let's say f dash x equals to f of 1 minus f of 0 upon 1 minus 0, where this, let's say in place of x1, where x1 is a number between 0 to 1. Okay, so this will be what? F of 1 minus f of 0, and which is given how much? 1 only. And f dash x2, that will be f of 2 minus f of 1 divided by 2 minus 1, and f of 2 is 2 and f of 1 is 1. So 2 minus 1 again 1, and x2 I can say x2 is between 1 to 2. See, if you pay attention, f dash x1 and f dash x2, two different values of x, you are getting same value of this. It means f double dash x is what? 0, because you are getting at 2 points f dash x as same. So here which option? We need to choose f double dash x is 0 for all x belongs to 0 to 2. I can say this thing because f dash x is coming constant. If f dash x is coming constant means f double dash x will be what? 0. So from here I can choose this option, D option. Okay. Next question. Next question. In this question, this relation is given कि f of x plus y equals to f of x plus y minus 1, f dash 0 is given 2, and mod of f of 1 is 2 they are asking. So what we'll do in this question, please all of you pay attention in this class, in this type of questions. So जब भी ऐसा equation आए differentiation कर दो, partial differentiation. So I'm differentiating with respect to x. So f dash x plus y, and now x plus y differentiation 1 only because y is constant, so 1 constant differentiation 0. Here f dash x, this thing. Okay, so simply this is f dash x plus y equals to f dash x. So here if you keep x as 1 and y as 0, okay, fx x as 1 or y as 0, or otherwise y as 0 or x as 0 and y as 1. So what you get, f dash 1 equals to f dash 0. If you keep x equals to 0 and y equals to 2, f dash 2 will come, again f dash 0, right? So if you see here, f dash 3 equals to f dash 0 again will come, f dash 4 equals to f dash 0 will come, means your differentiation of the function is constant. Differentiation of the function is what? Always f dash 0, and that is what 2. So I can directly say f dash x for all values of x, my function f dash x will be what? 2. Now if dy by dx is 2, it means this function is what? Constant. So f dash x is a constant function. So fx will be what? A linear function. So I can consider as ax plus b format. So f dash x is 2, it means f dash x is what here? A, and which is 2. So a values directly I got 2. And one more information is given this. Okay. We can keep this equation. F of x plus y, f of x plus y equals to fx plus fy minus 1. So from here I'll get the value of b. What is f of x plus y? It is ax plus ay plus b. Okay, this is ax plus b, this one is ay plus b, and minus 1. So ax plus ay gone, b gone. So actually b is what? B will get 1. So it means my function is fx equals to ax plus b, which was 2x plus 1. Now they're asking what is mod of f of minus 2. So you can give mod of f of minus 2 is 2x plus b. So that will come 3. Okay. So 3 will be our correct answer. Next question. Next question is a very good question. So here they're asking the set of all values of alpha for which 5x cube minus 15x minus a equals to 0 has 3 distinct real roots. Okay. So 3 distinct real roots. First of all, let's consider this function is, let's say, hx. Hx equals to 5x cube minus 15x minus a. Okay. So this function has 3 distinct real roots. It means its differentiation will have how many roots? 2 roots. So that is what? As dash x for 15x square minus 50. Okay. Equals to 0 at how many points? X equals to 1 and minus 1. It means your function is becoming, your differentiation of the function is becoming 0 at 1 and minus 1. It means at 1 and minus 1 you would be getting either maxima or minima. So if I do, let's say this is minus 1, this is 1. So at minus 1, function is becoming like this. At 1, also you are getting either maxima or either minima. So you will get at least 3 roots. This, and this. Now I need to find the value of a for which this equation has 3 distinct real roots. So if I consider my function as function, let's say fx is 5x cube minus 15x this. So 5x cube, 5x cube minus 15x. So what is f of 1? F of 1 is minus 10, and f of minus 1 is plus 10. Okay. If you consider this your function, so function is what actually hx. If hx equals to 0, hx equals to 0 means 5x cube minus 15x equals minus a equals to 0. It means 5x cube minus 15x equals to a. Means a value is what? 5x cube minus 15x. This only. So this value only I need to find. So at f of 1, what is f of 1? Minus 10, and f of minus 1 is what? My plus 10. So this and this, minus 10 and plus 10. Sorry, minus 10 here and plus 10 here. So a value will lie from, value of a will lie from minus 10 to 10. Simple thing, because this is only function is ranging. Function is what? 5x cube minus 15x, and that is value between this minus 1 to 1 for at least 3 roots. Okay, we will not consider after that. For at least 3 roots, this is the condition. Simple. Okay, next question. JMS 2024. Again, same type of question. Here again, what we'll do? Partial differentiation with respect to x. So f of xy is given f of x divided by f of y. So if we do partial differentiation here, so f dash xy differentiation 1y. Okay, we are considering y as a constant. Here f dash x and f of y will be as it is because f of y is constant. So I can write this equation as, all of you please see, f dash x by y into f of y equals to f dash x into y. Okay, I think no problem in this. Now what I'm doing, I'm keeping y equals to x. If I'm keeping y equals to x, so here this will be what? F dash 1 into fx equals to f dash x, and here y is what? X. F dash 1 is actually given in the question. F dash 1 is 2024. So it will come f dash x into x minus f 2024 into fx equals to 0. So I think one of the option is this only. F dash x into x minus 224 into fx equals to 0. A option. That will be our correct answer. Okay. Next question. Next question is given f of x plus y equals to fx into f dash y plus f dash x into y. And we are finding this relation. What is this value? Okay. So here we can do this question. So f of x plus y is fx into f dash y plus f dash x into f of y. So here if we keep x equals to y equals to 0, we will get f of 0 equals to f of 0. F of 0 is I think given in the question. F of 0 is what? 1. Okay. So directly please see here. This is what? 1 equals to 1 into f dash 0 plus f dash 0 into 1. So f dash 0 is how much? F dash 0 is half. I can say from here f dash 0. Now further in this question I can keep f of x plus y is there. So I can keep y equals to 0. If I keep y equals to 0, what will get? Tell me. F of x equals to f of x f dash 0. So what is f dash 0? Half. Plus again f dash x plus f of 0, and f of 0 is given 1. Okay. So it is f dash x equals to fx by 2 only. Okay. So I can write this as dy by dx equals to y by 2. So from here dy by y equals to 1 by 2 dx. Integration very easy. Ln of y equals to x by 2 plus c. To get the value of c, I think we can use this information. Ki f of 0 is 1. So f of 0 is 1. So when x is 0, y is 1. So 0 by 2, 0. And this is 0. So 0 equals to 0. So c. Here c value will be also 0. So function is actually y equals to e to the power x by 2. I hope this is clear, why. And now this function they are asking. So log of function. So log of my function will be what? Log of e power x by 2. So that is what? X by 2 only. And summation from 1 to 100. So summation from 1 to 100 directly I can write here. S value will be n plus 1 by 2. This is x summation only, and x by 2 summation by 2 here. Now you can keep x as 100. So that will come 25 only. Okay. This was our question. Now this is the last question of today's video. Very good question actually. Here in this question it is given f of x minus y. F of x minus f of y is greater than equals to, I can write log of x by as log x minus log y and plus x minus y here. If I divide by x minus by both the sides, because x and y are 0 to infinite, yes, I can divide. So f of x minus y, f of x minus f of y upon x minus y is greater than equals to log x minus log y divided by x minus y plus x minus y x minus y 1. I'm considering, let's say, कि x is tending to y. Okay. If x is tending to y, I can divide here. X is not exact equals to y. If x is equals to y, it means it will come 0. And by 0, I cannot divide. Now, after this, we can consider like LHL and RHL if x is tending to y. So, if RHL will be what? X is tending to by plus. Okay. X is tending to by plus, and this is the limit. Limit x tending to, here directly I am applying limit x tending to by plus. Here also limit x tending to by plus. Here it is constant only, so no need to apply anything. So if x is tending to by plus means it is a positive number. So positive number, and this is what all we please see, this is first principle. So I can write this as f dash x is greater than equals to. Now I'm actually how I'm solving this limit by L'Hopital rule, considering by is a constant. So fx differentiation f dash x, this differentiation 0, x differentiation 1, and y differentiation 0. So log x differentiation will be what this time? 1 by x minus log y differentiation will be what? 0, and log x here 1 by x plus 1. Now what will be RHL? LHL? LHL will be what? X tending to y minus. Okay, by minus means here again f dash x will be what? F dash x here minus 0 divided by 1. Okay, but here x tending to by plus, it means if x tending to by minus, x tending to by minus means it is a negative number, so inequality will change. So less than equals to log x will be what? 1 by x, and here minus 1, so same only 1 by x plus 1. So RHL and LHL is coming same, but this is saying it is greater than equals to, it is less than equals to. It means they are equals to only. So directly I can say f dash x is what? F dash x is 1 by x plus 1. Now what is the question asking? Question is asking f dash 1 by n square, simple. So f dash 1 by x square will be what? 1 by 1 by x square plus 1, so that will be x square plus 1. Now you can find this from where? 1 to 20. So 1 to 20, very simple. Summation will be what? X square summation n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. And this 1 will get added 20 times. Okay. So 1 will get added 20 times is 20. Now you can keep value of n as 20 directly, and you will get your answer as, I think, 2890. 2890 will get the answer when you keep n equals to 20. Thank you everyone for watching.